Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today it is a nice Sunday morning. It is very overcast, but it's pretty darn warm out. It's probably around 60 degrees already. Maybe it's a little lower, 55, 57. But I'm heading down to the river, and I'm not taking my waders. I'm just gonna say screw it, go straight to wet wading. I don't want to deal with all the waders and getting my pants wet and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna wet wade today, and I think I'm gonna start off with some top water just to see if they're fired up yet or not, and then if they're not really biting top water, I'll probably switch it to another moving bait, and then I might go to a bottom bait because that seems to be what they're biting. These past few weeks, they've been like really hitting stuff that you just kind of like let fall, slowly fall, and then maybe pop it and let it fall again, just sit on the bottom. So that is what we're up to today, and yeah, let's get to the river. There's one. Oh, that was sick. Oh, that's a trout. Whoa, what is this? Oh, that's a nice trout. Holy crap. What in the world? Dude. What in the freaking... Oh! Dude, calm down, calm down. Oh my gosh, he has so much fight in him. No. Oh man, he's caught now. Holy crap. Look at that. Look how big that trout is. Oh my gosh, that thing has to be close to 18 inches. Oh my gosh, and he is so freaking beautiful. Look, come on, focus. Look at the colors on this guy. Oh my gosh. Look at his tail. Look at that coloration on him. Oh my gosh. Giant wild brown trout from the river. Oh my gosh, he started jumping out there. I switched over to a jerk bait, and I just started twitching it, and he hammered it. Oh my gosh. Just look at the coloration on him. Wow. Awesome trout. Oh my gosh. Alright, time to get a release on this guy. Just look how big he is. Oh my gosh. Dude, I hope I can catch another freaking nice fish like that. Whether it be another trout or a bass, I don't really care. Oh my gosh. Dude, I saw a big fish go after this. There's one. Oh, another trout. Oh, that's another good one. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my gosh! He's not as big as the last one, but he's still a nice size. Oh my gosh, they're so fat. Oh my gosh, yes. Man, he freaking hammered that one. No. Alright guys, second trout of the morning. He's not as big. He's freaking almost as fat as that other one. That other one was super yellow. This one's a little paler, but still super awesome. Freaking just jerking that jerkbait again on the top. Freaking hammered it. Dude, this is awesome. See you, buddy. There he goes. Sweet. There's one. Oh, yes, it's a smallie. Oh, yeah, not a bad smallie either. Ugh. Alright guys, so first smallie of the day. Just a little guy, probably about 8-9 inches long. Not too big, but definitely a good feeling to catch a smallie. Something a little different than some trout, but those trout are massive. I lost the jerkbait I was fishing with, so I switched over to a square bill, that dark colored square bill, and he hammered it. See you, buddy. What in the world? Dude! What? Just a little dude. He freaking, I just started reeling it in because I was gonna cast again and he hit it. See you, dude. On that big bull shad too. He freaking bit that thing. That thing's like half his size. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a freaking awesome day of fishing, and I did not expect to catch that big trout, but he was freaking massive. And but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.